Section, container, grid, rows, columns, and div. These are your ultimate Mosaic tools for organizing content like a pro. Under the hood, they're all divs, but they each come with a unique preset and CSS property. Think of them as tools with strong opinions, same base, but totally different jobs. Let's see how to use them. Sections are the chapters of your page, defining high-level parts like your hero or features. Use a new section every time you start a fresh thematic part of your page. Golden rule: you can't put a section inside another section. This keeps things semantic, helping search engines and screen readers vibe with your layout. Next up, the container. It's got a max width and stays centered to keep your content looking crisp on big screens. In Mosaic, every section automatically comes with a container to save you clicks. Containers handle your horizontal width, and if you change the element class, your whole site updates instantly. In our themes, variables are used for the max width to keep it consistent. Need a custom look? Use the custom class. This allows element-specific changes. You can stack as many containers in a section as you want, with spacing controlled by the section's gap. Use containers to keep everything aligned, readable, and consistent across your entire site. Now let's talk about the smaller building blocks: rows and columns. Rows and columns are flex layout powerhouses that make vertical and horizontal spacing and alignment a breeze. Rows stack your elements vertically, and you can adjust the gap instantly with the row gap property. Our themes even have subclasses, so you can adjust that gap right from the toolbar. If you are unsure how these subclasses work, or you want to make your own, check out our awesome video on the topic. Columns are for that horizontal flow, perfect for things like icons next to text. Just like rows, you can effortlessly adjust column spacing using the toolbar. Use these when you want a clean, single-dimensional layout that adapts perfectly. When you need serious structure, the grid is your best friend for two-dimensional layouts. Grids are elite for repeating content where you need your columns and rows to stay perfectly aligned. Switch between 2, 3, or 4 columns with just a few clicks using our theme subclasses. Or, of course, you can manually make up your own grid if that's what you're into. Then, lastly, there's the div, the ultimate flexible building block for total control. It's perfect for simple grouping, custom wrappers, or whenever you want to do your own thing. For example, you can drop in a div to create a sleek visual divider by just changing the background, and then the height. The best part? You can swap between any of these elements instantly by just picking a different element class. That is some serious design power. That's all I've got for now. If this helped, smash that like button and join our community. Links in the description.